hundreds of dollars in profit. How did I know that this was going to work? Well, I'm going to show you 2 different trade setups using the money line volume strategy, and I exclusively teach it in that course. The link is at the top of the screen. Let's get into this. How did I know that this was going to work, this specific setup? Well, let's take a look at it. Now, if you don't see it, I'm going to point it out. The volume bars told me so. This specific volume bar right here created a support on its correlating candlestick, and I used this as confirmation to enter my trade. Now, we're going to speed this up for the sake of this video, but you're going to see that each and every single one of these trades win. I already knew where this candle wanted to go, and it's going to the top of the wick of the previous candle. And I'm taking a screenshot here because this is a recording for my VIP. You're about to see what happens when you have a solid strategy. So here is the second setup where we go up to this level. I am pretty darn certain that we are actually going to sell here, right? And so you see that I enter all of these trades, and oops, unfortunately, we instantly go up to the next level. But here's the thing, I already knew where that level was and that we were going to experience a lot of rejection here. So I increased the quantity of my trades, and we're going to win all of these. Okay, so this is a strategy that anybody can learn. You can see that it's just a handful of horizontal lines and the volume indicator, and boom, you are in profit. So if you want to learn how to do this, the link is at the top of the screen, and I will see you on the inside.